Intelligent Lighting Controls promises to provide lighting control systems that perform to your satisfaction. For over 30 years, ILC has been at the forefront of the lighting control industry. Their commitment to quality and technology has kept them at the top, providing high-quality commercial lighting control products. Their innovative products, like the LightLEEDer lighting control panel, are digital, scalable, flexible, and energy efficient.
Their commitment to quality and technology has kept them at the top, providing high-quality commercial lighting control products.
Factory-trained technicians. Your lighting control system is serviced by ILC's highly skilled experts. Get installation and service that exceed your expectations. Industry-best 6-year warranty. ILC surpasses the competition's standard promise. We back our LightLEEDer products with a 6-year warranty to match their reliability.
Hi, my name is Easton Huntley. I'm the Director of Sales for Intelligent Lighting Control. In this video, we're going to be talking about the EVO TC room controller. Our mission at Intelligent Lighting Controls is to simplify lighting controls from installation to use. So when we created and developed the LightLEEDer EVO TC for time clock, we went and got customer feedback, and we took the best of what we heard, and we created this product to provide a very cost-effective solution to meet energy code, but allow contractors to get off the job as quickly as possible and allow our agents to start the jobs up as quickly as possible. So I'm going to walk you through the features of the product and try to tie it back to our mission, which is to simplify lighting controls. The EVO TC room controller is a 4-room room controller with 4 0 to 10 volt dimmable remote relays. What makes it unique is that the relays are remote from the enclosure, so we can actually room share with this and make the job as cost effective as possible. It also includes 2 photocell inputs, so you can use this to do 2 offices or two two-zone classrooms with daylighting. It has 4 motion sensor inputs that provide 200 milliamps of power. So we can power up to 20 dual-tech microphonic aux sensors and meet the 2018 IECC energy code that requires open offices have a zone of lighting and motion sensing in open offices. It can power up to 8 digital switches with our G3 MZD or multi-zone dimmer switch station. This is our LS-G3 digital switch station. This is a 3-zone dimming switch. They are available up to 6 zones. If I hold 1 or more zones down for half of a second, the light's going to blink. I'm independently raising and lowering those zones. At any point, I can raise or lower all the zones just by pressing the dim up or dim down buttons. The fade rate is set at about 3 seconds, but can be adjusted as needed. This switch is actually field configurable, so if you take out 4 screws, we can ship you a new faceplate, change the button count, change the color. It's available in white, ivory, gray, black, and red. Custom engraving is included, and all switch stations cost exactly the same. So if you quote a job and need to switch the digital switch station out later, there's no difference in price. Our switches have address dials on the back. Why this is unique? If a switch fails, which they don't very often, but if they do, and say it's a school with attic stock, you can then replace the switch, set the address, the programming that's in the processor here will then upload to the switch. A tech is not needed to go back to the job site to do any reprogramming. The same is true of the relays, the daylight sensors, and the motion sensors. This has been a compelling story to school districts around the country. It allowed us to become the standard. About 25% of our business is K through 12. Also great for hospitals with 4 dimmable relays. And the R20D EM emergency UL 924 emergency relay has a normal and emergency relay inside of it. All the complicated wiring that comes with the UL 924 relay and a normal lighting relay is inside the box. This reduces wiring errors on job sites. We also lowered the cost by 25%. So what we have is an extremely competitively priced product that meets code and reduces labor for the contractor and the startup technician on site. We can do phase dimming with this, and if you add a network controller, you can network up to 254 of these together. We can go up to 3,000 if we add our Insight custom software. This actually has time clocks inside of it, So 125 time clocks are included in the EVO TC room controller. So, you know, if a job's networked or standalone, we could still meet specs with time clocks either way. So that is a quick overview of the LightLEEDer EVO TC room controller. For more information, you can visit our website for technical data like how many motion sensors and how many digital switch stations can be powered by this device, our typical drawings library with CAD and PDF versions of the typicals, or contact your Cooper Regional Sales Manager for controls or your ILC Regional Sales Manager. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching our video today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have additional questions, feel free to email us at ilc.techsupport@ilc-usa.com or call us from 7 to 5 Central at 952-842-2588.